Mintri ka Sorkar Jila but MLA ka South Shlong uba Sanbor Shlai ha ka South Rik Yayong. Ula ple pat ba ya ka surok mini bypass ka ba North Point Shispa Prapasan kilometer ka ba yait na din jong ka Nefa Secretariat Cantonment Area Hajan Anjali ha ka jinglot ka ba kot Lai Point Lai Penriu Klur Tingka. Ha ka ni ka sngi layadon lang na du ka Rani Jibang DRC jong ka Sorkar Arunachal Pradesh u Superintending Engineer ka PWD ki he pulit kinongalam shnong bat ki wei. Ha ka jingkran uba sanbor ulaong ya ka ni ka scheme la sedang da ka Sorkar MDA hapo ka jingalam jong umintri rangba ka jela u Konrad ki sangma u sembut menteri rangba uba Preston tensong bat manga. Nilaya kren ya ka ni ka kam nakapor sa kapor bat nila shim ringkat lang ye sin jam bat menta ka ni ka jing ang not kala urlong shisha ulaong. Uba sanbor ulapan pa ko jing sngungu ikipai ba nongshong shnong ka 19th South Shillong constituency bat ki opisar katanat PWD ki bala shim kya lang kat hadu banda pendam ya ka ni ka project. U Executive Engineer ka Shillong Central Division PWD uba S Litam ha ka jingkran mat phang ula ai ka jingaro ya baro ki bala dun benta banla ban pendap kloy ya ka ni ka project. Kate ka jaka bala pentre ya kate ka project kadai jong ka Sorkar Arunachal Pradesh bat ka Sorkar MDA kala lait banyakran bat ka Sorkar Arunachal Pradesh lingba ka DRA jong ka Arunachal Secretariat na kabenta banshna ya kate ka surang.
Scheme was jointly initiated like Litap Executive India has said that it is the ground force, the ideas, the suggestion which we have discussed all together right from the top official of the PWD and the top official of the government and including me as the local MLA, where we have come up with one constructive idea that will approach the government of Arunachal through Madam Rani Dibang, who is the DRC of this Arunachal Secretariat, government of Arunachal. So finally, this is the initiative taken by the MDA government under the chief ministership of Sri Konrad K. Sangmaji, including the initiative of our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Preston Tensongji, who is also in charge of PWD Road and Building, which was jointly initiated. Discussion from time to time, we have a conversation from time to time as a local MLA. We have a joint initiative, and today the dreams has come true, and we are going to lay the foundation, to inaugurate the stone. So I would like to express my sincere thanks on behalf of all the people of Shillong, 19 South Shillong constituency, the people of Shillong, and all the top officials of the PWD department who are the ground force to architect this mini bypass. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to Honorable SP Lovis Gad, IPS, in charge traffic. Thank you. You have valuable time to be here with us today. And we have also in the midst of us Mrs. Himangshu Christian, Pastor, Mrs. Rani Dabang, DRC, Deputy Residential Commissioner, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you so much that you have given a lot of help, support and cooperation towards making this dream come true. God bless you all. God bless you.